Most HVAC companies don't struggle because they lack customers. They struggle because jobs, technicians, and invoices are not properly organized. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the right software is what separates a chaotic HVAC business from a profitable one that runs smoothly every day. In this video, you'll learn the best software for HVAC companies in 2026, what each one is good at, and which one actually fits your type of business. Let's start with one of the most popular choices, Jobber. Jobber is designed for HVAC businesses that need simple scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing. A technician like Alex can receive job details on mobile, update status in real time, and send invoices right after completing a service call. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber is very easy to use, which makes it perfect for small teams. But it may feel limited if you need advanced reporting or complex workflows. Next is HouseCall Pro. HouseCall Pro focuses heavily on automation and customer experience. A business owner like Jake can automate appointment reminders, collect payments on site, and manage customer communication without manual effort. But here's the problem. As your company grows, some users find it less flexible for deeper customization. Third is Service-a-Titan. Service-a-Titan is built for large HVAC and trade companies. It offers advanced scheduling, call booking, sales tracking, marketing tools, and detailed reporting. This is where Service-a-Titan stands out. It is extremely powerful for scaling operations. But it is also expensive and can feel overwhelming for smaller HVAC companies. Now let's talk about Workis. Workis is great for mobile HVAC teams that need fast communication and dispatching. A technician like John can receive job updates, track calls, and manage scheduling from anywhere. It is lightweight and very efficient for small to mid-sized service businesses. However, it does not offer deep enterprise-level features. Finally, we have Fieldage. Fieldage is designed specifically for HVAC companies. It includes dispatching, invoicing, maintenance agreements, and customer tracking in one system. Now, here's the key insight most HVAC owners miss. The best software is not the one with the most features. It is the one your team actually uses every single day without confusion. So let's simplify it. If you want easy setup and simple management, Jobber is a strong choice. If you want automation and customer communication, HouseCall Pro works well. If you are scaling a large HVAC company, Service-a-Titan is the most powerful. If you want mobile-first speed, Workis is efficient. And if you want HVAC-focused features, Fieldage is built specifically for your industry. The biggest mistake HVAC owners make is choosing software based on ads or popularity, instead of how their technicians actually work in the field. That leads to wasted money and unused systems. So the takeaway is simple. The best HVAC software is the one that matches your team size, workflow speed, and daily operations. If this helped you understand your options clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more software breakdowns and honest comparisons like this.